Please check who's at the door now.
I can't. I'm doing a video. Please check now.
Okay.
Who is the person?
Nah, no. Maybe the person don't come.
Check now. Who come with the person? You see anybody there?
Let's open the door now.
Who is that?
There's nobody here. I don't understand.
God. Who can they press the bell now? And I want to do a video. This person is distracting me.
You know whether are those cleaners.
Did you see any cleaning thing there?
No, this is what nonsense is this? Yeah.
Nobody again?
There's nobody here.
Ha.
I know they understand.
So who is pressing the bell?
What kind of nonsense is this now? Come on, I don't this nonsense now. What kind of thing is this?
Hey God.
Now, which kind of wahala be this now?
I mean, is the doorbell malfunctioning?
If somebody is pressing the bell in my room, and no one, I did not order anything. When I open the door, I don't see anyone there. I think someone is pressing it and running away or something. I don't understand.
They're pressing it and running away. Who would that be? Someone is calling.
It's too frequent. Somebody is happening frequently.
He said the person is pressing it and running away. Who is it? It's so annoying. I don't understand why this is happening.
I did not.
What did they say?
Nah, I have to. This is out of hand.
Where are you going, some mind?
They're going that key. I have to go to the reception. I have to go and complain about this thing. Somebody is messing up.
Some mind. Calm down. Wait. Sound. Some mind. Can I wait? Wait. Can I tell you something? Wait. Some mind. Wait. It's a prank. It's a prank. I'm not pressing the bell. Give it in a do. Let me show you. You were coming down to report. What do you want to do? But let me tell you what I did. No. If me too, I'll be equally annoyed if it's true. Come now. I love your sweatshirt. Lovely sweater. Come. It's a prank. Come, let me tell you what I did. Come, let me show you.
Nah, you allow me to come all the way from up to down. Don't tell you.
Good morning. I'm fine. Yeah. Thank you so much.